Today I'm going to solve a problem twice. But not my problem.
I remember, but he has a huge mountain bike track.
All right, dear Seth, aka Seth's Bike Hacks, aka Berm Peak, aka Car Stereo Advisor Guy, aka whatever else you do, your 4x4 post struggles.
It's already breaking again.
Piqued my interest. We've been building a backyard bike park, so I have some 4x4s I'd like to put in the ground, and I saw your 4x4 video where you were designing a cap for the top to beat these into the ground and struggling through it.
This thing got domed.
So it got my brain turning a bit. For my version of this 4x4 post cap thing, I'm going to do something a little bit different, but kind of the same. I had to do that. I'm going to take some sort of steel, make a little box for it. Thick steel, 1/4 inch by, say 3 inches, just regular steel. Cancel that, 2 inch, 2 inch. 1.5 inches. One, 2, 3, 4. Right off the bat, there are some gaps there. That's fine, except it's not fine. It's more of a gap than what I planned on. Good news, I've messed up fewer times than Seth has, so that's a win. My plan here is to make sure that when I weld these together, there's a good gap around the sides. It won't pop off the 4x4 because of something else. This is awkward. Sliding on, easy. Sliding off, easy. Party trick. The trick with accurately cutting along the line is to draw a thick line. Adopted the double-decker system to be able to fit the tools I need to in here, and the tools I want, paired with proper rationalization, equals the tools I need. It's hot, it's getting hot. Hot on the fingers. These are not very well insulated. Ow. Whew. Oh, I can put on the other gloves. Ooh. Now this here is stainless steel. This little nut here, flange nut. Uh-oh. Safe. Whew. Some people are stack of dimes TIG welders, and I'm more of a pile of turd TIG welder. Everybody has their own style. That was really bad. Wow. The Control Z of welding. There are multiple ways to fix a bad weld. You could turn the thing upside down. You could give it a name tag, which insists it's not a bad weld, or use the plate here to say striking zone. Now nobody will know. Maybe some sort of pre-built knob, maybe one with a 3D printed bit on it like that. If you don't have these already made up, you could just take something that's not made up and make it up. Now it should stay in place. All right, let's go around back. It's time to find a spot for this thing. This here scrappy wampus is mainly an excuse to get rid of scrap wood that I've been keeping in the garage for way too long. So I don't think I actually hit the knob. So a bit of a fail. I don't think it's catastrophic, but it is something to recognize. They've chewed up the sides here. All right, so new plan. Stainless steel everything. Just use the screw itself for the filler. Face it the other way. There you go. Hey, how are you? Hello. I think this is a winner. All right, I changed my mind. This is not a good solution because it's a little bit more complex than it needs to be. And I think Seth was really close with his second version.
This is this is not 4 inches.
That just wouldn't fit on the 4x4. 1/8 inch steel, 4 inches wide. Bit of a beefier striking plate. I think that's going to be important here. Boom. All right, let this cool off overnight. I think this is done. The weld wasn't all that great. Busted. Let's give us another whirl, where a whirl equals pounding it into the ground, hoping it won't break. Or hoping if it does break, we learn something. That's what's important. Both breaking things and learning something. Especially learning something when breaking things. We have a winner. So basically, in the end, I did the exact same thing Seth did. I just made it 1/2 inch bigger. So nothing really groundbreaking there. I think you already knew that that would work. Just somebody else's solution verified. So we have our first neighborhood kid mesmerized by this place. We loaned him a bike and a helmet. Brings up a lot of questions about, do I talk with the parents? How do I navigate this safety-wise? But yeah, he's kind of rocking it.
I was just on YouTube. This guy made like a ramp and it turns and goes just down. I think that would be a good challenge for him.
Which guy?
I don't remember, but he has a huge mountain bike track. It has like 1.5 feet on the top.
Okay.
But then it has like probably 4 feet of a ramp and 4 feet down.
Okay, so it goes like angled?
Yeah, it goes like up and you have to turn and then go down.
Is it Berm Peak? Is it Seth Berm Peak?
Yeah, Berm Peak, that's
okay,
it.
Yeah. Woo!